Good morning. How are you? My name is Nancy Dunn. I'm an LMSW and a CASAC, which is a credentialed alcohol substance abuse counselor, and I work for Whole Wellness Counseling. I'm based out of Ithaca and Saratoga Springs. That's where my office is. And I'm going to be holding an online professional substance abuse group. And I've been talking about it a bit, but I wanted to tell you some of the things that we are going to be covering in this group. And there'll be some psychoeducation. I'll talk to you a little bit about things. But then, it's really your group. It's going to be 7 o'clock on Thursdays. If you are in New York, your insurance may cover it. If you're not in New York, you can pay out of pocket. It is $25 a week, which we tried to do to make it reasonable. This is for professionals and for people for whom confidentiality is really important. So some of the topics we're going to be talking about is first, like, what is addiction? Let's talk about the brain and addiction. What's going on when you have an addiction, or what we now call a substance use disorder. Secondly, what about PAWS, post-acute withdrawal syndrome? What is that? How long does it last? What are you going to expect? Are there any medications that can help you? I'm not a medication person, but we can discuss some medications that have been used. How do you manage cravings and triggers? What do you do? Where do you stop the thought from becoming an act? Why quitting a substance is easy, but not simple. Nope, sorry. Why quitting a substance is simple, but not easy. Got backwards on that. It's simple, you quit. But what's not easy are all the things you have to do to keep yourself from relapsing. How do you break that relapse/quit cycle? What do you do? Can you quit because someone wants you to, or do you have to do this for yourself? And another topic that I think is really important, regardless of whether you're, using a drug recreationally with friends, or you're drinking with friends or alone, do I have to give up all my friends to quit? Not necessarily. We can talk about different ways that you can keep your friends, not ruin friendships, but still retain your sobriety. So I'm interested in finding out what you all think about this. And if you're interested in this, you can call the number that I will put down below to sign up for the courses. And I look forward to working with you. Thanks. Bye.